lines are something that often gets neglected. People don't realize how much maintenance is required to pour beer as the brewer intended. With manual beer line cleaning, there's a lot of room for human error. There are safety concerns since we're dealing with a pressurized pot and chemicals. We just kind of figured that the manual cleaning was the only method there was, so we just did our best to use it effectively, but we didn't realize there was a better way to do it. The Glanola system does a good job of removing a lot of these dangers that were a problem in the past. Working with GSDraft has been a pleasure. Everything's been super easy, seamless installation, no interruption of service. Everything has been great. Every time I've had a question, I get a speedy response, and I recommend GSDraft to anyone looking for this type of equipment. Using the Glanola ensures that you are pouring beer through a clean draft system, and it's a better product for your guests, and it's less beer waste from dirty draft lines. It's just a good investment, and it makes a lot of sense for anyone pouring beer out of a draft system. I've been impressed with everything that Glanola offers, from the cost to the increased safety for our staff, the quality of the cleaning, the ease of the cleaning just by pushing a button and letting it do its thing. It's all been great. It's an excellent investment.